With this healthy banana bread recipe, you're just a few simple ingredients away from the best banana bread so far. It is made with whole wheat flour and is naturally sweetened with honey or maple syrup. You can easily get rid of this banana bread vegan or gluten. The recipe gives one loaf, about 10 slices. If you want to add this recipe to your meal plan, contact our certified dietitian and nutritionist. Preheat oven to 165 degrees Celsius and grease a 9 times 5-inch loaf pan. In a large bowl, beat well the oil, honey, eggs, then whisk in the mashed bananas and milk. Add baking soda, vanilla, salt and cinnamon, and whisk to mix. Finally, stir in the flour until combined. Pour the batter into your greased bread pan and sprinkle lightly with cinnamon. Bake for 55 to 60 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Cool the bread in the loaf pan for at least 10 minutes before transfer to a wire rack to cool for slicing. Print this recipe from the link in the description.